Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar 12000W dual-fuel portable generator with electric start and switch stands out as a versatile power solution for various applications, from home backup during outages to outdoor activities such as camping. This generator is designed for those who seek reliability and ease of use in a portable power source. At first glance, the Pulsar generator boasts a robust dual-fuel capability, allowing users to operate it on either gasoline or propane. This flexibility is particularly beneficial in situations where one fuel type may be more readily available than the other, or in scenarios where users want to maximize efficiency and reduce fuel costs. The generator is powered by a 457 cubic centimeters engine, which provides a substantial output of 12,000 watts, ensuring that it can handle a range of appliances and tools. One notable feature of this generator is its electric start functionality, which simplifies the starting process significantly compared to traditional recoil starters. With just the push of a button, users can initiate power, making it especially convenient in emergency situations or for those who may struggle with manual start methods. Additionally, the inclusion of a switch allows for easy transition between the two fuel types, further enhancing usability. The generator is equipped with multiple outlets, including 4 120V household outlets, one 120V twist-lock outlet, and one 12V DC outlet, providing ample connectivity for various devices. This selection allows users to power everything from lights and refrigerators to power tools, making it suitable for both home use and construction sites. In terms of design, the Pulsar generator features a sturdy frame with wheels and a handle, facilitating transport from one location to another. Its compact size and mobility make it a practical choice for those who may need to move it frequently. The operation of the generator is generally straightforward, with a clearly marked control panel that assists users in managing settings and monitoring fuel levels. In conclusion, the Pulsar 12000W dual-fuel portable generator with electric start and switch is a well-rounded option for anyone in need of a reliable power source. Its combination of dual-fuel capabilities, ease of starting, and multiple outlets makes it suitable for a variety of situations. Whether for emergency backup power at home or for use during outdoor events, this generator offers a thoughtful blend of functionality and convenience.